Hey, what's going on? Zero Day J here. It's Sunday, January 14th, 12:25 p.m. West Coast time. Um, I made a video like a half hour ago. It was 15 minutes long, and the audio got cut out like halfway through for whatever reason. I don't know why. It's a Loom thing. I don't know if it's my laptop. I'm just plugged in with my Apple iPhone old school earbuds. So anyway, I haven't made a video in a while about the $254.88 challenge, 254.88 challenge, because I haven't made a trade since uh, the last trade I was in. I got taken out for a gain, and I've been watching it, but I feel like I missed a couple of opportunities. I moved the money into leverage trading, and I was, I guess I could have shorted it, but and then I decided after I moved into leverage trading that the account wasn't big enough for me to start doing leverage trading. So I decided not to make any trades. And then we bottomed out, and you're gonna see, like, as you do this more, if you're just getting into it, excuse me, I need some water. The moving average is going to play a major role. So, in how things play out. So here's an example. It bounced. So we hit the top at 651-ish, right? Came back down, bounced off of this right here, which is the 200 on the 4-hour, went up, hit about 626. And then if you see this gold line, these gold lines and all this is the Fibonacci retracement. I'll draw it again. I had it drawn from the last video. It's really easy to do on TradingView. You just find this right here, this little icon. And then if you're looking for a retracement, if you're looking for a downside move, you start from the top and you find the bottom, and then that's it. So this is the top here around 651. The last bottom is around 571. And then what's happening here is you got this golden pocket. That's usually where, if you're thinking about looking at the downside, it's usually where there's going to be a bounce, a rejection, right? So you got the 618 is a very key level, 707 and the 786. So it got over the 618, but if you look at the 4-hour candles, only the wicks went over the 618. So it literally hit its head on the 618. If you want to talk about the wicks couldn't get over the 707, right? And then it rejected from there and came down. Like, this is a big move down, 625 to, let's see, 593. What is that? 30 something points. It's like a 5% drop. And then this candle hadn't formed yet. The 4-hour candle was ending as I was recording the video. And look, I thought it was going to come down more. It did come down to about 585, 586, and has bounced since because it's right on the 34, but I still think it's going to go down. Let's look at a different time frame. We got the hourly here. Let's get to the hourly. Hopefully my audio doesn't fucking cut out again. But we'll see. All right, so I mean, it bounced perfectly. This is the 200 on the hourly. It literally bounced perfectly off the hourly, off the 200. I still think it goes lower, but I could be wrong. I mean, it could just ping pong between the 200 and the 300 for the next bunch of candles until it either pops back over or it goes back under. But I think it's going to go down lower because of this hitting its head on the 618. It literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, 6 hourly candles. What are we doing here? 6 hourly candles. It couldn't get over the. I hope my fucking audio didn't cut out. Excuse my language, but that shit's annoying. 6 hourly candles. It couldn't get over that 618. Just one wicked over and hit the 707. So, and then it rejected. So normally in that situation, like, it's going to go down a lot more than where it's at right now. I think it could come down in the 540s just based on the 4-hour chart. And you just keep in mind, everything moves with Bitcoin. So, up and down, they all go up and down in varying degrees. So whenever this moving average appears, here we go. So I think it's going to go below this and hit the 300 on the 4-hour, and then you get the 377 here. Like, the last time it went under the 300 on the 4-hour, it hit the 377 and it bounced off of it. And I had my entry somewhere in between all that. So I could have got a better entry. So like, yeah, I guess I could have placed my order for 579, but I think we're going to go lower. So I'm placing my order. Well, I already placed my order. My order's in. I placed it for 5.423. So we'll see. What does it say here? Network unstable. Network unstable. Great. That's probably why my audio keeps chopping out. I'm using this VPN, and the network keeps going from stable to unstable, and it probably cuts out my audio. So anyway, I have my order in for 5.423, which is basically right at the 300, a little bit under the 300. I could even make it lower, but I think we'll be all right here. It's subject to change. I might change my mind, but right now that's where I think we are heading. So, and if you look at Bitcoin looks awful on the daily, like awful. Once this loads, all right. So there's Bitcoin. It's bear flagging, like hard. Let's look at the daily. If it ever loads. Oh man. My audio is probably going to cut out again. But anyway, if this ever loads the daily, I'll show you. In the meantime, I hope my audio hasn't cut out because it's very frustrating because I'm at 7 minutes right here. I made a 15-minute video, lost it halfway through. All right, so here's Bitcoin on the daily. Look at this. This candle went down from 48,333. I'm not even talking about the wicks to 42.7 and change. I mean, it's almost 4,000 points. And if you talk about the very top of the candle at the top wick and the bottom, you're talking 5,000 points, $5,000 in Bitcoin's case. So like this candle, then it looks like a bear flag. I mean, this could go down to 40,000. So everything will follow, including FILECOIN. So orders in. I'll keep you posted. If anything changes, I'll let you know, obviously. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.